to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. I remember I said to get Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'd like to break down a 3 to 6 movement that a pianist in Nigeria by the name is also a Pastor Chibuzo, the elect Chibuzo did, right, on this song, we give you up, we give you up, right, something like that. If you follow this channel, you know I already did this, a breakdown like this, right, I did something like this, right, so but lately I saw one of his videos where he did something like this. He did something like that. Right. So something like okay, so that was in the key of C sharp. So I'm going to show you that now. To how to stuff we've already done on the channel before. Right, so this is a 3 to 6 movement. So the song you are how far an omega, then we worship you, God, you are. Then so there was this movement we give you right, so there was that movement. So I'm going to put the link in the comment section where I already did the basic part before, right, we give you all, I can't put together with the ones I did before now, but then I'm going to put the link so you can watch that. So but now he did something like this which was very nice. So what's it doing here? So the roots for this chord progression, don't forget, is 3, flat 5, flat 6, and then to your 6. So that's, sorry, we are moving forward. So that's 3, sharp 4, sharp 5, then to your 6. Whatever way, that's not the point I'm here to prove today. Okay, so right. So now it was doing a note like this. Those root notes in the key of C sharp, that's F, G, A, then B flat, right? Okay, so that's F, G, A, B flat. So I guess someone was writing that, maybe writing that down. That's why I did that break in transmission. So now, so on the left hand, initially, the left hand also is speaking something like this. So I'm going to give you this I'm going to break it down. So the left hand is playing something like A flat. Naturally, let's do this very simple. A flat together with the F, G together with the B flat, then A together with the C, then B flat together with the D flat. So for beginners, I'm trying to break that down so that it becomes more simpler for you. So you can play we give you for beginners, right? So then let's add the components that brought that sound, right? The one who was doing right. So the one who was doing now. Now let's look at the middle also. So in the middle, he was doing some flats in here. Initially, I will do something like this. I'll do something like, right? So I'll do something like that, or then we so yeah, I will do something like that. I'll do something like that. But now he did we give you which is very nice, and what I'm breaking down here. So now what is happening in the middle? I already gave you the roots and then the notes that we are actually the roots of what's happening. So now in the middle, is this something like this? I'm explaining this. Is taking the first So instead of doing something like this, I will do, or something like that. So instead of doing that, he's doing this now in the middle. He's taking the D flat to D, flattening it. Next move, or the next move, what I already showed you the root, is taking the E flat to the E, right? Then the next move is taking the F to F sharp. Then on the last move is doing G all the way to F. So in the middle, this is happening in the middle, right? Then so now let's add it together. Now first we have, right? Now let's add this both on left and right together. Then so I'm doing F sharp first to G, back to F sharp, back to F. So together we have a right. So that was basically what he did in that video, and I'd like to see you guys replicate this in the key of F. That would do something right. Was that it? Yeah. So it's the same, right. So that's like pretty the same thing. Also in the key of F. So that's your A, B, C sharp to D, and then your